Ujjwala Leela Money Class, August 12, 2019, continuing Chapter 5, Varieties of Nayakas, or heroine lovers of Krishna and Vrindavan, especially the gopis, specifically the gopis. We're discussing nine types of Nayaka Bhav, or the loving moods of Krishna's gopi lovers like Radharani and others. So now we discussed already Avisarika Bhav. This is a traveling lover who goes out, she runs out of her house to meet Krishna at some appointed meeting place, at a kunj or on the banks of the Yamuna. And we discussed that's the Avisarika Anayika, and we discussed the Vasik Saja Anayika. She is the hopeful waiting lover. She's gone to the kunj, the appointed meeting place. Somehow Krishna's not there, so she's waiting for him. And while she's waiting, she decorates herself nicely, adjusts everything perfectly. And she enjoys telling her sakhis about her pastimes with Krishna. She looks continually for Krishna's arrival, looks continually down the path, and she yearns to enjoy amorous pastimes. That's the Vasik Saja Nayaka. Now we're discussing the Utkantita Nayaka. The word Utkanta means eagerness. She's the eager and anxious lover. She's in the kunja, or in the kunj. It's almost, you can say, an acceleration. An acceleration, or a more advanced stage or aggravated stage of the Vasik Saja Anayaka, who's in the kunja, and she's hopeful and waiting, and now she's waiting for some time, and Krishna seems to be delayed and is not coming, and she becomes a little anxious and eager. So then her Vasik Saja Bhav becomes Utkantita, which Rupa Goswami describes in chapter 5, verse 79 and 80, when he's describing these varieties of Nayakas. And he says that it's Viraha Utkantita Bhav. She's Utkantita mood, sentiments, feelings, Bhav. The gopi has this Bhav. She's very eager and anxious to meet Krishna, and Rupa Goswami, and she's in anxiety because of the delay of Krishna coming. She's feeling some viraha, some slight pains of separation. Where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? When will he come? When will he come? So this gopi, Rupa Goswami defines, she becomes very eager and anxious to meet her beloved, who has neither offended her nor quarreled with her. So this happens, she becomes anyone would actually, of course, become eager and anxious if you're supposed to meet someone and they're late, and there's no sign of them coming and no call or message. So you may become a little anxious. She's a certain type of longing to meet her beloved.